my name on it.
What does it spell?
Johnny. That's got my name on it.
Does that say Johnny?
I want to bring it down. I want to open it. Does it got trash truck in it? For Christmas? From Christmas?
It's up to Daddy. He's passing them out.
Sit down. Back.
Shane, wait. Let's Johnny open his. Watch Johnny open his.
I think got it. Okay. He got it for me. He got it. He got it for me.
Is that your trash truck you wanted?
Are you sure? Is that the same one?
It is. It is the one you wanted. Oh, that was mine.
What is that noise?
Okay, let's go get this one. Get it out, get it out.
Well, you got more presents still though. What is it, Shane?
Turn it over. You got it. It's Daisy.
Open it.
Come here.
Hey guys,
Open.
You got it. Oh,
you guys got your toys you wanted so
You
bad.
told Santa.
I want to get it out. Get it.
Hey guys,
You don't want to open some more presents?
let's finish opening up our presents and then Mommy and Daddy will help you get your new ones out of the boxes, okay?
I take the sticky off of it.
The sticker.
Yeah.
It's got a little trash can with it too.
Mine has a little trash can on it. Can I take the sticky off, Mom?
Yeah.
Honey,
Come on, guys,
why don't you
you
wait?
want to open up some more presents first?
No, they got the ones they asked for.
know,
That's
I know.
all they wanted.
More presents.
You don't.
What?
Come on, out.
I want to play with these.
Hey kiddos. You still got some more presents to open.
I thought that would happen. We found those ones.